Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you a quick update for my YouTube channel since I enabled monetization for it and I passed 1000 subscribers. So as you can see, I have now 1351 and thank you very much guys for subscribing. First of all, I wish to let you know that I really appreciate that you subscribe and follow me. So yes, let me show you update for the monetization for my channel. So since I enabled monetization, since I passed 1000 subscriber mark, I get so let me show you the monetization statistics. So right now I am at $43 per 1 month period, or this is 28 days, yeah. So the 28 days period I have estimated revenue $43. So if we go into details and click here on see more, we can check advanced analytics, and if we go here to estimated revenue, we can see that some of my videos perform better than others. And let's go to monthly estimated revenue. Monetization for this channel is quite young, and it is enabled since not much time ago, and last time I checked it was $46 per month in the estimated revenue, and now it is 43, so it's up a bit. Also, if we go to the dashboard, we can see here some statistics that revenue is up by 17%, watch time by 25%, views by 20%. So I think that channel is performing pretty well. So I am really thankful to you guys for supporting me, and thank you for subscribing and keep watching my content, and I am really grateful for this. So yeah, this is the update and this is the monetization I am getting right now from my YouTube channel. So around $43 a month just from ads, and this is just ad revenue. So yeah, this is how I monetize a part of my channel. Other monetization methods for my channel will be presented in future videos. So if you want to learn about this, please subscribe to this channel, and I will serve you new information in each video I create, because I create each day one video, as you can see here. One video each day at 8 p.m. GMT. So stay tuned guys. Here was it was a mute video that I uploaded by mistake, and I fixed it here. So this is why here it's void, and here are two videos. Okay, so yeah, this is my channel performance, watch time performance, subscribers. I make around 5-6 subscribers per day in average, and around almost $2 per day in ad revenue. Okay, so this is all for now. Please subscribe to this channel, because in the next video tomorrow I will show you guys other monetization methods for my channel. So yeah, this is all. Have a great day. Bye bye.